In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download HD Image Credit System. By the end, you'll confidently take an image, remove its background with clean edges, and download a high-resolution file using a credit-based system that many editing sites and apps use. First, upload your image. Pick the highest quality original you have because a sharp starting point gives the background remover more detail to work with. Images with clear contrast between the subject and the background tend to produce the best results. Most platforms accept common formats like JPG and PNG, and you can usually either drag and drop your file into the upload area or click to browse your computer. If you see any alerts about size or format, just make sure your file meets the tool's requirements. After you upload, give the system a moment to process. Larger files take a bit longer. Next, remove the background. The tool will automatically detect the subject and separate it from the background using AI. You'll typically see a preview on a transparent checkerboard pattern, which means the background is gone. Take a moment to zoom in and inspect edges around hair, hands, or intricate product outlines. If the tool offers refined brushes or an erase/restore option, lightly touch up areas where the AI may have over-removed or missed fine details. Aim for smooth, natural edges so the cutout looks professional on any new background. If there's a simple backdrop with hard lines, the default removal might already be perfect. When everything looks clean, you're ready for the final step. Finally, click Download HD. This is where credits come into play. Many platforms let you preview or download a low-resolution version for free, but an HD export deducts credits from your account. Before confirming, check the file format options. Choose PNG if you need a transparent background. This is ideal for design work, product listings, and overlays. Choose JPG if you don't need transparency and want a slightly smaller file size. You may also see the resolution or pixel dimensions listed. Higher numbers mean crisper images for prints or large layouts. Confirm the download and the system will process your HD file and save it to your device. If the button is grayed out or you receive a prompt, it usually means you're out of credits and need to ensure your balance is sufficient before trying again. That's all there is to it. Upload your image, remove the background with careful checks, and click Download HD to use your credits for a clean, high-resolution result you can drop into any project.